And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Double sprint world record holder Usain Bolt has come out swinging in defense of his former coach Glen Mills, who was recently raked over the coals by some athletes who have either parted ways from Mills or the Racers Track Club entirely in recent months and weeks.
Usain Bolt, who was coached by Glen Mills to 8 Olympic titles and 11 World Championship gold medals, says the swipes taken at Mills by Olympic medalists Kemar Bailey Cole, Warren Weir and Peter Matthews on social media are without merit. Bolt says while athletes are free to move on from coaches, they should always remain respectful.
I've moved along from coach, but I haven't disrespected anybody. You understand? We part our ways for the differences that we have. But when you're going to try to disrespect a coach, he took it to a level that nobody, 1, 2, 3, me, Blake, Warren, never been done before. And then you're going to come and disrespect a coach like that. It hurts me personally because it's my coach, you understand? And I know he's not going to be happy with the fact that I'm defending him the way I am right now. But these athletes should know themselves and respect that Glen Mills is the greatest. Glen Mills have taken it to the highest level you have ever been in your career. You probably won't get back to that level.
Bolt argued that athletes who slacked off from the hard work which got them to international medals under Mills' early tutelage should take the blame for their decline.
If you don't work hard, you don't train hard, how can you be great? When Warren Weir got to the level that he is, I remember Warren Weir taking days off to go to Florida. Man, JC Young, just randomly in the week, take a week off from training. They're not going to say that. Randomly, just, where's Warren? Oh, he's in Florida with his girlfriend and Jason. They are just frolicking and just relaxing. Who does that in a season? If you're going to attack the coach, say everything. This is why that's why they will never get to a certain level right now.
The double sprint world record holder adds that he's disappointed that no other Jamaican male sprinter has taken up where he left off in 2017.
For all the work we have done, to uplift the sprinting and to prove a point and to uplift the country, it looks away now. Now that I've walked away from the sport and no one is there to pick it up, pick up the pieces or to keep the level up. It's embarrassing for the country. I know that I've seen people, every time I see people, they say, no, you need to put on your spikes and come back, we need you. But we have so much talent in Jamaica. For us to have no one stepping up or even someone coming back and say, all right, this person is going to be great.
In the meantime, one of the athletes who both singled out, Olympic 200 meters bronze medalist Warren Weir, who wrote on Instagram that Mills had retired 2 years ago and did not advise the current athlete, declined comment when he was contacted by TVJ Sports on Tuesday. Weir is now being conditioned by American Lance Browman in Florida. Other athletes to have parted ways with Coach Mills in recent times are double sprint Olympic medalist Johan Blake, Olympic relay silver medalist Peter Matthews, World Championship representatives Sanajay Givens and Javon Minzy, as well as former high school star Michael O'Hara. Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.